I've learned so much from Alex this morning. All the crazy stories of the artists and what they did. Super interesting.
Telling the stories of the people in the neighborhood, the different phases, that's been my favorite so far. You can walk into cafes, you can walk down the street. You don't feel like you're disrupting anything. You're really just being a kind of fly on the wall in the neighborhood, almost seeing it as it is.
It was really enjoyable. It was so entertaining and informative. I learned a lot of things that I had no idea about. It was really a pleasure. Oh, I think that you guarantee 6 people is perfect. I mean, that's the kind of tour I'm interested in, not where I'm just one of a busload. It felt like it was very personal. It was almost like being the only one on the tour, and because of the rapport.
Yeah, so we were looking for a way to see as much of Paris as possible as soon as we got here. So we found LivTours online and got really excited that it hit all the spots we really wanted to see. We really liked the fact that we were in a small group. It felt more intimate. We were able to ask Alex more questions. You know, it felt like the group itself became friends, and it's always nice to get to know more people when you're on vacation.